already trigonometric ratios of angles. Then already we know this, already explained this type of table. So now apply the table in problems. Evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. What is the value of sin 60 plus 30? What can you conclude? First one, complete these value. What is it? Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 is equal to sin 60. What is the sin 60? Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So into root 3 by 2 plus sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 30, cos 60. Cos 60 value also 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. That is equal to root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 whole square. That is equal to value 3 by 2 twos 4 plus 1 ones 1 by 2 twos 4. What is LCM? 4 is LCM. 4 how many times in 4? 1 time. 1 3 is 3 plus 4 how many times in 4? 1 time. 1 ones 1. That is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. That is the one of the value. And another value, sin of 60 plus 30. Sin of 60 plus 30 is equal to sin 90. Is equal to value sin 90. What is the sin 90 value? Sin 90 equal to 1. So sin 90 value 1. So this result is equal to value 1. This result also value 1. Therefore, sin of 60 plus 30. Sin of 60 plus 30 equal to sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. Therefore, that is the formula of sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. Okay, now next question, fourth question. Is it right to say cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30? Is it right to say? So solve this. Here it is LHS, it is RHS. LHS, find out the LHS value. What is the LHS value? Cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 90. Cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to value 0. Cos 90 equal to value 0. That is the LHS value. And next RHS. What is the RHS value? Cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30 degrees is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 degrees is equal to value 1 by 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 minus sin 60. Sin 60 degrees is equal to value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 equal to value 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1 into root 3. Root 3 by 2 twos 4 minus root 3 into 1. Root 3 by 2 twos 4. Already we know that a minus a equal to 0. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. That is equal to root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is also 0. So LHS is equal to 0, RHS is equal to 0. Therefore, these two values LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. LHS value what is it? Cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. Sin 30 degrees. Therefore, it is the formula cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Like that. Okay, next sum. In triangle PQR, angle Q equal 90 and PQ equal 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ equals 60 degrees. Angle RPQ equals 60. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. QR and PR. How to find out the QR and PR length values? So here, what is the given? Triangle PQR, angle Q equal to value 90 degrees. Then PR is equal to PQ equal to value 6 centimeters. So first to draw the right triangle. Triangle PQR. PQR is right triangle. Angle Q equal to 90 degrees. PQ equal to value 6 centimeters. That is also given. Another one. Angle RPQ is equal to value 60 degrees. What is the RPQ? RPQ. RPQ means angle P. That is equal to value angle P. Where is that angle? Angle P. Angle P equal to value 90 degrees. That is the given values. What is the required value? QR. What is the QR? Is the position of in this angle. QR is the opposite side of 60. QR is the opposite side of 60. Given value, adjacent side of 60. Opposite side of 60, required value. Given value is adjacent side value. What is the relation of 60 degrees? Opposite side and adjacent side. What is the formula? Tan. So, triangle PQR, tan 60 degrees is equal to, opposite side of 60. Opposite side of 60 degrees divided by adjacent side of 60. Adjacent side of 60. What is the opposite side of 60? QR by PQ. So, tan 60 value. In the table, tan 60 equal to value root 3. So, root 3 is equal to QR is unknown value. QR by PQ value 6. That is 6. Then 6 is change this side. 6 root 3 is equal to value QR. That is the first one. And another one, PR. Then what is the relation of PR value? PR is the hypotenuse. PR is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So it is the PR is the hypotenuse, that is the required value. And another one, given value, what is the adjacent side of 60. So 60 degrees relation, required value is hypotenuse and given value is the adjacent side. So apply in triangle PQR. Hypotenuse and adjacent side formula, what is it? Cos or secant. Cos or secant. So apply cos value. Cos 60 degrees is equal to adjacent side of 60 degrees divided by hypotenuse. So what is the opposite adjacent side of 60? PQ. Adjacent side of 60 adjacent side value, what is that? PQ. PQ by hypotenuse, what is that? PR. Then cos 60 value, cos 60 equal to value, what is it? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to PQ value 6 by PR. Then cross multiplication. 1 into PR is equal to 6 into 2. Therefore, PR is equal to value 6 to 12 centimeters. That is the PR value. Okay. Next one, triangle XYZ. Angle Y equal to 90. YZ equal to X, XZ is equal to 2X, YZ equal to small x, XZ is equal to 2X. Then determine YXZ and YZX. It is which type of triangle? Right angle triangle. So draw the right triangle XYZ. Where the right angle Y equal to 90. So Y equal to value 90. YZ equal to value X, XZ equal to value 2X. It is the given values. Then find YXZ. YXZ is equal to YXZ means middle element. What is that? X. So X value. Find X. So observe from x. Observe from x. What is the two values? X, it is the given values. One is opposite side and another one is the hypotenuse. Then what is the relation? Opposites and hypotenuse sine. So triangle XYZ sine x is equal to opposite side of x by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of x? YZ by XZ. What is the opposite side of YZ value? X, result value x by XZ value 2x. Then sin x is equal to x cancel. What is the result? 1 by 2. So sin x is equal to here sin. Then 1 by 2 is also, observe the table in sin value. What is the equals of 1 by 2 in sin? Sin 1 by 2 equal to sin 30. So sin 30 degrees. Sin cancel both values. So x equal to value 30. In triangle XYZ, x equal to value 30 degrees and given y equal to value 90 degrees, then angle Z is equal to value, what is that? 60 degrees. Because of sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So it is 30, it is 90. So Z equal to value 60. Z means angle Z means value, what is that? Z means YZX. YZX is equal to value 60 degrees. Here. Okay. Next question. Is it right to say sin of A plus B equal to sin A plus sin B? Justify your answer. What is the LHS value? Sin of A plus B. What is the RHS value? Sin A plus sin B. So first, let we take A is equal to value, for example 60, B equal to value 30, or anyone, A equal to 30 or B equal to value 60, like that. So first LHS, what is the LHS value? Sin of A plus B is equal to sin of A value 60 plus B value 30, that is equal to sin 90. What is the sin 90 value? Sin 90 is equal to value 1. That is equal to value 1. That is LHS. RHS value. What is the RHS value? Sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B. That is equal to sin A value 60 plus sin B value 30. That is equal to sin 60. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2 plus sin 30. Sin 30 degrees is equal to value 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 LCM. So 2 how many times? 1 time. 1 into root 3 plus 2 how many times into 1 time? 1 once 1. So root 3 plus 1 by 2. It is RHS result. It is LHS result. Both are equal or not equal? LHS value 1, RHS value root 3 plus 1 by 2. So both are not equal. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore sin of A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay. A chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Radius value 6 centimeters. He is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the chord. What is the chord of a circle? The line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called a chord of circle. The line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called a chord of a circle. So AB is the chord of a circle, OA is the radius, OB is also radius. OA radius, OA equal to radius, OB equal to value 6 centimeters. Angle at the center equal to value 60 degrees, therefore angle AOB equal to value 60. That is the given values, these are. Next, draw OC is perpendicular to AB. Draw OC is perpendicular to AB. Then OC bisects Draw OC is perpendicular to AB. Then OC bisects AB and angle AOB. Bisects means two equal parts. Side or angle, two equal parts. Draw OC is perpendicular to AB means OC is bisects AB. AB is bisects means two equal parts. That means AC equal to value BC and angle also, center angle also bisect. That means angle AOC equal to angle BOC. Angle AOC equal to angle BOC equal to 60 degrees equal parts, that equal to value 30, 30. Angle AOC value 30, angle BOC is also 30 degrees. So it is a divided. And next observe that triangle AOC. In triangle AOC is which type of triangle? Right triangle. It is right triangle. Here right angle. Right angle opposite side is hypotensive. The OA equal to value hypotensive. Then required value what is that? AB. AC is the one of the part of AB. So find out AC. AC is the 30 degrees opposite side. It is the given value what is that? Hypotensive. Opposite side and hypotensive formula what is that? The sine. So sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite side of 30 degrees divided by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of 30? AC. By hypotensive value what is that? OA. Sin 30 equal to value 1 by 2. Sin 30 degrees is equal to value 1 by 2. So that is equal to AC is unknown value by OA value 6. Then 6 change the side, 6 by 2 equal to value AC. Therefore AC equal to value 3 centimeters. Then AC equal to value BC. Therefore AC equal to BC equal to value 3 centimeters. What is the required value? AB. Therefore AB equal to value AC plus BC. AC plus BC. AC value 3 and BC also 3. That is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to value 6 centimeters. AB is a chord of circle. AB equal to value 6 centimeters. Example, already this type of sum completed. In another sum model. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90, AB equal to 5, angle ACB equal to value 30 degrees. Determine the lengths of BC and AC. So it is which type of triangle? Right triangle. Triangle ABC. Where is the right angle? Angle B equal to value 90. And angle ACB equal to value 30. Angle ACB means value angle C. Angle C equal to value 30. Observe from C. Observe from C. So required two values. First one required value, one value and given value. Compare that. First one BC. So BC is the adjacent side of 30. Given value opposite side of 30 degrees. So what is the formula? Tan. Apply the tan formula. Okay. Do it. And next one AC. AC is the hypotensive. AC is the hypotensive. Next it is the value opposite side. Opposite side and the hypotensive formula is the sine. Apply the formula. Okay, do it. These two sides. Example, it is also one of the example. Triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90, PQ equal to 3 centimeters, PR equal to 6 centimeters. Determine angle QPR and PRQ. QPR and this angle. And PRQ. PRQ means angle R. So it is a right angle triangle. Triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90. PQ equal to value 3 centimeters, PR equal to value 6 centimeters. Then use these two sides, angle P value, angle QPR, that is also angle QPR means angle P. Then it is angle P, these two sides relation. What is the relation of angle P? It is adjacent side, it is hypotenuse. Adjacent side hypotenuse formula, what is it? Adjacent side hypotenuse formula cos. So cos P is equal to adjacent side of P by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side of P? PQ by PR. That is equal to value 3 by 6. That is equal to value 1 by 2. Cos P is equal to value 1 by 2. Cos P is equal to cos values is equal to 1 by 2 value cos 60. Therefore cos 60. Here it is a cos value, cos P. Then relation 1 by 2 is also, what is the relation of cos values? Cos 60. Therefore cos cancel, P equal to value 60. We know that P equal to, in triangle PQR, P equal to value 60, angle Q equal to value 90, angle Q equal to 90. Then angle R is equal to 30 degrees. We know that sum of the angles of the triangle equal to value 180. Therefore angle R means value, what is that? Another name PRQ. Angle R means PRQ or QRP means value, angle R, that is equal to value 30 degrees.